In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert timestamp current date and time in Outlook email. We'll walk through a reliable way to add the current date and time right where you need it. Choose the exact format you prefer. And decide whether that timestamp stays fixed or updates automatically. Start by opening a new email, a reply, or a forwarded message, and click in the body exactly where you want the timestamp to appear. Placing your cursor first ensures Outlook inserts the timestamp in the right spot without disrupting your text. Now head up to the ribbon and select the Insert tab. In the text group, click the Date and Time button. This opens a dialog box with a list of available formats. Take a moment to pick the format that matches your style or regional preference. You'll see options that include just the date, just the time, or both together. Below the list, you'll see a checkbox labeled Update Automatically. If you want a static timestamp, meaning it stays exactly as it was at the moment you inserted it, leave that box unchecked. This is great for documenting when you drafted or sent something. If you want a dynamic timestamp that refreshes to the current date or time each time you open the email, select the box. That can be useful for templates or drafts you reopen frequently and want to reflect. Now, when you've made your choice, click OK, and Outlook will insert the timestamp at your cursor. If you prefer speed and a static result, there are handy keyboard shortcuts. Press Alt+Shift+D to insert the current date, or press Alt+Shift+T to insert the current time. These shortcuts drop in plain text, which makes them ideal for quick notes or timestamping a line while you type. If you need both, you can use the shortcuts one after the other, or use the Insert option to pick a format that contains both date and time together. A quick note for Outlook on the web: the browser version has fewer features than the desktop app, so there aren't dedicated menu options or shortcuts for automatically inserting the current date and time into the message body. That's simply a limitation of the web interface. Whichever method you choose, double-check that the timestamp looks the way you expect before sending. Picking a clear format helps readers in different regions, and choosing between static and dynamic ensures your message reflects the right moment. Thanks for watching.